guys, BrianaLynee back again, as you can see, with dry hair. I like to start my videos off in the natural state so you can get a real feel for my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and this is freshly washed hair. To start this video, whenever I do a protective style, I like to do a deep conditioner and or protein treatment. And so I'm going to be using Camille Rose's NANGAI and TSUBAKI Strength Restore Protein Treatment. So the texture of this protein treatment went on thick, but my hair instantly absorbed all of it, and it was a great detangler. It's very important to get your ends when you're applying a deep conditioner and or protein treatment, because the ends is what needs the most attention. You want to secure your ends in a protective style, so that's why a protein treatment and or deep conditioner is extremely important. This is the first step that you want to do for any protective style that you are trying to do. Moisture. You need a moisturized foundation so you can see length retention when you do this protective style. So far, what I like about this protein treatment is how my hair is feeling nice and moisturized. Even though this is a protein treatment, this protein treatment fights against breakage, damaged hair, and split strands, and it helps to restore a smoother hair shaft. So I'm all for it, and I love it. Yep, definitely will be using this again. So after sitting under the dryer for about 30 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed out the product. And now it's time to part my hair. I'm going to be doing some simple flat twist, and I'm going to be protecting my ends. So that means I'm going to have to use a moisturizing product. And my choice of product is the Almond Twisting Butter, Sweet Almond Milk and Honey. I've used this product before, and it smells so good. So I make sure to apply a great amount of product in my hair before twisting, and you also want to detangle. Make sure that you get your ends. There's nothing more important than making sure that your ends are protected in your protective style. So often we get a protective style and we get so upset that we don't see any changes in our hair. Well, we got to look at the products that we're using, right, to make sure that these are really going to moisturize our hair while we're not touching it. Oh, and if you try this style, your arms will be on fire. I had to stop a couple times because, child, arms were dead. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue flat twisting my hair until my whole head is complete. I'm trying to get my parts as straight as possible, but the parts in the back don't matter as much, and you will see why in the end. And what I like about this twisting butter that I'm using is how soft it makes my hair, and it's extremely moisturizing. And I know it's moisturizing because once I take this style out, I still can see some type of moisture in my hair, and you can see it, you know, once you touch your hair and you look at your hand, you see that there's something in your hair. So this product is great for moisture. It's long lasting, and I have used it on many protective styles. So this is the first time I'm putting it in a video. So now that I'm all finished, this is kind of what it's looking like in the back. Yep, I'm looking like Cleo from Set It Off, but the classy version. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some twist, and we're gonna tuck and pin. And so you will see the final result, and you'll realize how easy this hairstyle is, and it can last you up until a week, at least a week for me. This is what it looks like. My hair is nicely tucked away and moisturized. This is a cute protective style. You can wear this wherever. And I want to know what you think of this hairstyle. So be sure to comment below. Let me know what you think. Like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.